Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can download investing.com on your PC or a laptop. To do so, just search for investing.com, download for PC on your Google Chrome browser. After searching for it, you just have to click on the second option or the option that says download investing.com. You can choose any other kind of link as well, as long as it says download investing.com, stock, finances, and stuff like that. Here, to download the app, you need to first download MEMU app, from which you need to follow some steps and you'll be able to download your investing.com app. Here you can see the steps. First, to download the EMU app, then start EMU. After that, search for investing.com, stocks, finance, and then click on download and wait for it to download. And after it has been downloaded, you can just install it on your PC and investing.com app will be downloaded and installed on your PC. And this is a simple process on how you can download investing.com app. This is all for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.